Hey guys! Before we get started with today's video, I just want to remind you that my book, Study With Me, is currently available for pre-order. This book is a student's guide to bullet journaling, and some of the supplies that you're going to be seeing in my pencil case make special guest appearances, like on this page. Wowie! So if you're interested, be sure to check out the links in the description. So let's roll with what you came here to see, which is what's in my pencil case. I'm using the same pencil case you've likely seen in all of my previous pencil case videos. This is a Lihit Lab Smart Fit double pencil case in the size large. The first item I want to mention are the zebra mild liners. In my pencil case, I keep about 5 of the 25 currently available colors. I keep the other colors I own on my desk at home. These are one of my absolute essentials for taking notes. If you'd like to see more about my note-taking supplies and process, I'll link some videos in the cards and description. In this same mesh pocket, I'm also keeping a whiteboard marker. This is a Pilot Boardmaster marker. The reason I picked this marker is because the ink is refillable, so it reduces plastic waste because you don't have to buy an entire new marker every time you use up the ink. Next, I've got a Uni Jetstream Alpha Gel pen. As you may know, I usually use a different refill inside of the pen, not the original Jetstream refill. I'll talk more about the refills I use later on in this video when I show the actual refills I keep in my pencil case. But anyways, back to this pen. I like this because of how squishy and comfortable this grip is. I also keep a black brush pen in my pencil case because I use this for headers for my notes. This one is the Pentel Fudemoji brush pen in the fine tip size. I have a red pen for correcting my homework, and this one is a limited edition Minnie Mouse Zebra Sarasa push clip pen. The clip fell off of this one, unfortunately, though. Next to that, I have another Zebra Sarasa push clip gel pen. This one is the body of the yellow pen, but I put a black Zebra Sarasa refill inside of it. I have a mechanical pencil, which is the Uni Alpha Gel mechanical pencil. I mostly use pencil for doing homework that requires a lot of erasing, like math, and for taking tests. On this little pocket on top, I have an eraser, the Sakura Arch Foam Eraser. I'm sure you've heard me talk about this eraser far too many times before, so I'll spare you the spiel, but it's my favorite eraser brand. Highly recommend. Now that we're done with this first half, or the first pocket, let's move on to the other pocket. In this one, I've got correction tape. This is just the generic Office Depot correction tape. It extends kind of like a sword or something. Pretty normal. It sometimes works, sometimes doesn't, but, well, that's here. Next, I have a 0.5mm needle tip Pentel Energel refill. This is the refill that I use in my Uni Jetstream Alpha Gel pen because this ink in particular is really smooth and it dries very quickly, which is helpful for note-taking. In this pocket, I also keep a Helix Ultraflex protractor, which I'm not really sure why I have this, to be honest, because I don't need a protractor for stats, so maybe I should consider taking this out. But it's very bendy and fun to play with. I have a mini stapler. This is a Paper Pro Nano. Having your own mini stapler is really handy just for convenience and for in case the teacher's stapler doesn't work. I also have a pad of post-it notes, normal post-it notes, very fun. I have a Midori multi-ruler. This is a clear plastic ruler that's 15 centimeters when it's closed, so it fits comfortably in my pencil case, but it can also be extended to 30 centimeters. In this little extra compartment here, I have two things. One is these Stylogy thin page flags for marking my spot in my textbook or bullet journal. And I also have some Uni Nanodia 0.5mm HB graphite to be used in my mechanical pencil. Lastly, in this other mesh compartment, I have an assortment of paper clips. I think I got these purple ones from my yearbook teacher, and the speech bubble one is from IKEA. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to see more videos about my pencil case in previous years or about stationery, I will link them on screen and in the description. I upload new videos every Monday, and my Instagram is @studyquill. See you next time!